Lewis Standard Pulling Grips. These grips are an essential tool for demanding cable pulling and cable guiding tasks. They work like a toy finger trap, gripping onto the end of cable that may be heavy or unwieldy. They're constructed from UV-resistant vinyl-coated galvanized cable and designed with copper tabs for reliable grip. The aluminum eyes are great at resisting weathering and corrosion, increasing service life. These pulling grips are used by our customers for cable installation and replacement in the construction, telecom, oil and gas, and utility industries. They're available in models designed for light to heavy-duty tasks and 24 to 58 inches in length. Cable diameter compatibility ranges from 1/4 to 4 7/8 inch, in working load limits up to 7,000 pounds, and ultimate tensile strength of up to 21,000 pounds. When it comes to mesh cable grips, Lewis Standard Pulling Grips are the choice for reliability and enhanced longevity. Shop Lewis Pulling Grips at E-Rigging.com.